In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google AI Studio to GitHub, upload project to GitHub. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with a Google account for AI Studio and that you have a GitHub account ready. This process will link your AI Studio app to GitHub so you can publish your project and manage it with version control. Begin by opening Google AI Studio in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Build. This takes you to the workspace where your apps are organized. Next, choose your apps. This view lists the apps you've created in AI Studio. Select the app you want to publish to GitHub. If you have several, pick the one that's ready to share or maintain as code. With your app open, click Publish. This opens the publishing panel where AI Studio provides different sharing options. From the display menu, choose GitHub. This is the option that will package your app and connect it to a repository. At this point, AI Studio may ask you to log into GitHub and authorize access. Click to start the login, enter your GitHub credentials, and approve the requested permissions. These permissions typically allow AI Studio to create or update a repository on your behalf, which is necessary for the upload. If you're working in an organization account, ensure you have the right permissions or switch to the correct organization during the authorization step. Once you're logged in, AI Studio will show a link to your GitHub destination. Click that link. You'll be redirected to GitHub, where you can view the repository that now contains your project files. Take a moment to confirm that the code, configuration files, and any generated documentation appear as expected. If you plan to keep the project private, verify the repository's visibility settings. If it's public, double-check that no sensitive keys or credentials are included in the files. From here, you can continue working directly in GitHub, add a README if one isn't present, adjust the repository description, and organize branches if needed. Consider adding a git ignore to keep unnecessary files out of version control, and use clear commit messages for any updates you make going forward. That's it. You went from your app in Google AI Studio through the publish flow, selected GitHub, signed in, followed the provided link, and landed on your GitHub repo with your project uploaded. Save your changes and you're ready to collaborate, track versions, and deploy using GitHub's tools.